Hello aspirants, welcome to Exam Empire. In today's session, we are going to practice the most important questions for SBI Clerk or IBPS Clerk, which are frequently asked in the exam. These questions will be helpful to improve your speed, accuracy, and confidence for the upcoming exam. So, if you are preparing for SBI Clerk or any other bank exam, make sure you watch the video till the end because we'll be discussing some shortcuts and smart approaches to solve these type of questions. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel for more practice sessions. Now let's dive into the first one. So let's see here what is the first question. Okay, see here. So first question is A and B can complete a work in 15 days. B and C together can complete the work in 20 days, while C and A can complete the work in 30 days. Find the number of days taken by A, B, C together to complete the work. Okay, see here, A and B can complete the work in 15 days. B and C can complete the work in 20 days, and C and A can complete the work in 30 days. If you want to find the total work, okay, so what is the LCM of 15, 20 and 30, which is like 60. So total work is like 60 units. So if A and B can complete the 60 units in 15 days, that means in one day 4 units of work will be completed. So similarly, B and C will be like 3 and C and A will be like 2. So that is, if I add all those things, if all the 3 persons are joined together, so if all the 3 persons, in the sense, what will be getting 2 times of A plus B plus C is equal to how much? 9. Okay, that means what will be the one day work of A, B and C, which is 9 by 2, which is equal to 4.5. So you need to find number of days. So number of days equal to total work by one day work. Okay, so 9 by 2. If I cancel it, see, this is like how many times we'll be getting like 20, and this is like 3. So 40 by 3 is nothing but 13.33 days. So answer for this one is 13.33 days. Okay, next one. So train A cross a 200-meter long platform in 15 seconds with a speed of 20 meter per second. Okay, see, you already know time is like 15 seconds and speed is like 20 meter per second, and train crosses a platform of 200 meter. So from this, so 15 into 20 is equal to 300. So what is this 300? So 300 is nothing but length of train A and length of platform. But here, what is the length of platform? Length of platform is like 200. So out of 300, 200 is like length of platform, in the sense, what will be the length of train A? So length of train A will be 100 meters. Okay. Now, if the speed and length of a train B are 25 meter per second and 250 meters respectively, then find the time taken by B to cross train A while running in the same direction. Okay, so they clearly mentioned both the trains, that is A and B, are running in same direction. See, what is the speed of second train? 25, that is B. Okay, what is the speed of first one, that is A? 20. Okay, so 25 and 20, so difference is like 5. Okay, so relative speed of train A and train B is like 5. And what is the distance? So distance is like length of train B is like 250 and length of train A is like 100. So total distance will be 350. So answer will be 70 seconds. Okay, next. So there are X number of people in town A. Okay, 10% of people from town A go abroad. If 25% of the remaining people in town A go to B and total people in B is 9,000, then number of people in A. See, 25% of the remaining goes to town B, and which is nothing but 9,000. That means what will be this 100%? So 100% will be like 36,000. So now, so what is this 36,000? See, 10% of the people from town A go abroad and remaining. Okay, so in that remaining 25%. So that means 10% gone, in the sense this is like 90%. Then what you need to find? You have to calculate what is 100%. Okay, if you again cross multiply, you'll be getting 40,000. Okay, so answer for this one is 40,000. Otherwise, you can consider in town A there are X number of people. In that 10% of the people went abroad, that means 90% is pending. Okay, in this 90%, 25% of the remaining people went to town B. Okay, so 25% in the sense 1 by 4. Okay, so 1 by 4 went to the town B, in the sense. So totally how many people went in town B? 9,000. Okay, if I cancel, so this is 1 time and this is 1,000 time. So what is that? So 1,000 into 40, which is equal to 40,000. Okay, so answer is again 40,000. Next, A shopkeeper marked an article 50% above its cost price. So let me consider, so original cost price is like 100. Okay, a shopkeeper marked the article 50% above the cost price, in the sense 150 by 100, which is nothing but 3 by 2. Okay, so otherwise I'll directly write 3 by 2. Okay, fine. So it is 3 by 2. Okay, it is 3 by 2 above its cost price, and allows two successive discounts of 10% and X percentage. Okay, so 10% discount in the sense 90%, that is 9 by 10. And X percentage I don't know, so which is nothing but 100 minus X by 100. If the shopkeeper earned 8% profit, okay, that is 108, then the value of X is, okay, fine. So again we'll cancel this. This is 25 times and this is like 27 times. So 27 and 27 will get cancelled, and what is this? Yes, so again this is 1 time and this is 4 time. Okay, so what we'll be getting? 100 minus X is equal to, see, 4 into 10, 40, 40 into 2, 80. So what will be the value of X? So X will be 20. So answer for this one is 20. Next, the area of a triangle is 126 square centimeter, that is centimeter square, and ratio of height of base of a triangle is 9:7. What is the area of triangle? Half into base into height. And here what is the ratio of height and base? So which is nothing but 9:7, that is we can write as 9x into 7x, which is equal to 126. If base of a triangle is equal to diameter of the circle, okay, fine. So first what we will do, we'll just cancel it. So this is 1 time, so 63, again 2. So we'll be getting x square is equal to 4 and value of x is 2. So from this, height is like 9x is nothing but 18 and base 7x is equal to 14, and they clearly mentioned base of a triangle is equal to diameter of the circle. Find the circumference of the circle. What is the formula for circumference of the circle? Pi d. Okay, so this is nothing but the diameter. Okay, because they clearly mentioned base of a triangle is equal to diameter of the circle. So 22 by 7 into d, which is 14. Okay, so we'll be getting the circumference. What is 22 into 2? 44. So circumference of a circle is 44 centimeter. Okay, so I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you like this video, please don't forget to share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.